This is your fault, Jordan.
It's your fault. The hurricane wouldn't have come if it wasn't for you.
It's your fault the hurricane is here.
It's your fault.
Yours.
Oh, crap! The hurricane knocked the camera over. What a stupid hurricane.
Hurricane, you suck.
Hey, the hurricane would have knocked it over if you weren't doing bad performances.
Huh. You think it's my fault? It's your fault.
It's your fault.
Ah!
Ah! See? That's just what your bad performances do.
No, that's you.
You!
You.
You!
Prepare to die.
Prepare to die too!
Ah!
Ah! Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah! 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 Yeah!
You're not late.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
You're not late.
Yeah!
Ah!
No! My chest! Ah! That hurt! Run!
Yeah, that's right. You better run.
Yeah, I'm just... Crap! Crap, crap, crap! Got a new stick.
You'll just break it on my shovel.
It's worth a try. Ha! Yeah!
You want this shovel in your stomach again?
Ah!
Ah!
I gotta run. Sorry, but I got a jet.
Ah!
Ow, my stomach. This really doesn't feel good.
Oh, this will hurt even more.
Oh, God. Running.
You're not running anymore.
The end. That kid died, and Jonathan lived to see another day.
Nobody was harmed in the making of this film except for Jordan, but that's okay.